Hey guys, we are back. This is my brother Jayden.
Hi.
And we recently went to Savi's in Galaxy's Edge, and Jayden did purchase an elemental nature lightsaber. So we are today going to compare the Galaxy's Edge lightsaber to the Tomorrowland lightsabers that you can find in Star Traders right when you get off of Star Tours. I will ask the questions! So Savi's workshop in Galaxy's Edge is a whole experience, and I recorded most of the show that they give you as you're making your lightsaber. So I will show you guys that now. So we would recommend getting here like half an hour early to line up because they did open the line at like 10:30. So we went straight to Savi's and we were fifth in line to get some scrap metal, which is what they call the lightsabers.
I got myself some elemental nature scrap metal because I want to go with my inner nature.
So after tax, the scrap metal does come out to $215.
Very quickly. I know, it's a little dark, a little dim, a little dirty, but believe me when I say to us, this is everything. And we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. As Gatherers, we have traveled far and wide throughout the galaxy to abandoned outposts, forgotten planets, fallen starships, and we gather ancient artifacts and precious relics. I'm sure we've all heard of the legends of Luke Skywalker. Yes? Yes. And now we have a new Jedi. What is her name?
Rey.
Rey. Yes, Rey, our spark of hope. And just like they answered the call, so have you. And that is why you are here. And to build this, the lightsaber. Beautiful and enigmatic. Very mysterious. They say building the lightsaber is a form of art. It has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and some of our darkest foes. It is a connection between the Force and the builder. And today, you will feel that connection. And it all starts with this. The Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal takes the Force and magnifies it. It is the heart of your lightsaber. And the color of your crystal depicts the color of your blade. We have the blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Master Yoda, Ahsoka Tano, and Luke Skywalker. Violet. Rare and beautiful. Master Base Red, the crystal of power. Darth Maul, Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren. But enough about them and their stories. We're here for you and your journeys. So builders, I'm going to ask that you please close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And see which crystal calls out to you. Which color of crystal do you see? And they say the crystal also chooses the builder. Now, builders, open your eyes and choose your crystal.
You got purple?
Got purple.
Once you have chosen your crystal, please place them in the green holders in front of you.
Just like Samuel L. Jackson.
Now, we're going to move to the hilt. The hilt is your center of control. It is the foundation of your lightsaber. It houses your crystal also from keeping it from disintegrating your hand. Alright? In front of you, you have your taxi, which houses your crystal. You have your spacers and your grips. We have your emitters,
going to have it go in there till it goes like this. You're going to hear a little bit of a chirping right down in here at the very end. If you'll see, there's a red marking and there is a blue marking.
That is something else right there.
Alright? Alright? These are your emitters, that's going to go on top. And that's it, we're ready for the
I am Darthfield.
Now we've come to the most dangerous part. So I will ask you all, please take a really big step back. As my fellow gatherers will come around and place your hills into our crystal civilization chambers. This is very, very dangerous. We don't want any more explosions. Right, Josie?
Well, you call it explosion, I call it decorating.
Alright, now we come to...
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined you will be. It is time.
Wow, Master Yoda. Indeed, it is time. The Force is strong with you here today. Now, in a moment, I will ask that you take a step forward, place your hands on your hilt, and we will activate together, just like we started. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay. Take a step forward. Place your hands on your hilts. And on my mark, activate. Raise your lightsabers. You have just created a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith that came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes one spark. Please, builders, deactivate your lightsabers. Bonding is complete.
Ah, complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny, you seek your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda, and thank you, builders, for joining us here today. You are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers that you have created. In your hands, you hold remarkable power, and remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your new lightsabers, we are pleased to present you with the saber sheath as you depart. Unfortunately, our time together has come to an end, but your journeys are just beginning. It is time for you to make your marks on the galaxy, and perhaps one day, we'll be telling your story. As we say here at Black Spire Outpost, tell the Spire.
So that is the whole Savi's show and how you make your lightsaber. So let's just get straight into it. These are the lightsabers from Star Traders, the shop that you exit into right when you get off of Star Tours. Jayden made 2 of them. These ones are full plastic. Jayden?
Alright, first you pick one of these. This is Qui-Gon Jinn's. You can only get this one. It's like a little flashlight. You pick either crossguard or not crossguard. This one costs a little bit more, like $2 extra. Doesn't matter. Pop in a color. The thing about these is that the pieces all come from lightsabers from the movies, so you can't get original pieces. These, you slide them on. And you get a bottom. And with the cross guards, they do make different noises. So this is a regular, makes a normal blue lightsaber noise. This one makes the noise from Kylo Ren's lightsaber. And with fighting, these things can take a beating. Oh, one more thing. If you hit them against something while they're turned on, Lights flash.
So these, again, are located right when you get off of Star Tours. You can make them from around, what, 25 to like 40 bucks?
I think it's 40 if you want like a Darth Maul style.
So fairly cheap for building your own lightsaber, but they are, like I said, full plastic. And then you get to the Galaxy's Edge lightsaber.
This thing's heavy.
The lightsaber did come.
Nice lightsaber sheath.
And the pin. And the full lightsaber.
Big
this
lightsaber.
Is the full lightsaber. As
Blade
you can see.
Screws off easily.
Also, as you can see, this is very heavy and full metal. It is much heavier than the plastic ones. This is, I would say, probably less of a toy. If you're looking for something for your little kid, I would probably buy one of these. But these are hefty and expensive.
Full metal, these are premium.
And Doc Ondar's Den of Antiquities is the shop next to Savi's that sells a bunch of different things that you can buy to customize or change your lightsaber, such as kyber crystals, new blades. They also sell lightsabers specific to specific characters, such as Luke's lightsaber, Darth Vader's.
Kylo Ren's, Ahsoka's, just a ton.
Those come 110, but there's no blade, and you don't get the carrying case, and you don't get a cool pin. So.
Alright, now to this. Kyber crystals. These are a thing that change the color and the noise of your lightsaber. Tomorrowland lightsaber, Savi lightsaber. It's a lot thinner when you don't have all the pieces on. So Savi's, what you do is you go in, get this, you pick a crystal, and you pop it through here.
And Jayden has bought other color crystals, so he also has yellow, white, red, purple, and he is just missing blue and green and black.
Blue, green, and black.
So black, if you guys did not know, is actually a super limited color. You can only find it inside these red kyber crystal tubes. However, it's a complete secret if it'll actually be black when you open it, and they're super rare to find, so we have not found a black one yet.
That's a lightsaber. And if you turn it on without a blade in it, it makes this noise. But if you get a blade, that also makes noise while you're putting the blade in. And then a lightsaber.
And each crystal is kind of a specific person's lightsaber. So for example, if you put in this red crystal, Jayden thinks this one's a Darth Vader crystal that he got. You can also get a Kylo Ren one.
Kylo Ren and Darth Maul, I think.
Darth Maul for red. So they will have different cuts on them, and when you put them in, it will have your lightsaber make different noises. You can also get something that's called a holocron. If you put the crystal in the holocron, it'll actually speak to you whose crystal it is. So for example, like Obi-Wan will start talking, or Darth Vader will start talking.
The yellow crystal. Yellow crystal.
Whose is that?
Temple guards. One more thing.
Yeah.
These are meant to be hit. So if you want to use these to hit people with, you can.
So if you are a diehard Star Wars fan, I would definitely recommend you get one of these. Our reservation time started at 11. All the reservations for Savi's were filled by 11:20. So go straight there. If you would like to do Savi's and the cantina in one trip, I would suggest splitting up your party because you only need one person to make a cantina reservation. So have one person from your party go straight to the cantina and the other people from your party go straight to Savi's.